Hey, hello everyone, I'm DJ Mustang and today we're going to talk about the GraphQL API vulnerabilities. The name clearly says there is a vulnerability inside the GraphQL API. So what is GraphQL API? What is the difference? The big difference between the REST API and the GraphQL API is REST API has a multiple endpoints and the GraphQL have only single endpoint. We'll talk about this. Uh, how to exploit this vulnerabilities from the GraphQL API. So first of all, we'll search for the common endpoints. These are the common endpoints: GraphQL API GraphQL, and these are the directories where you'll get the information about the GraphQL. And it's a single endpoint, it's a single endpoint. You will get all the information from just one endpoint. Okay, so if we want to find the schema information, then there is the uh, add-on which is an inql. We'll talk about this later on. The same kind of a thing, you will get it in the Bobsuit Pro version. There is an extension, but we do not have the Pro version, so we're going to use this CLI. Python CLI is there. We'll start with the challenge. The challenge is accessing private GraphQL post. We'll see what is the challenge actually. The blog post page for this lab contains a hidden blog post that has the secret password. To solve the lab, find the hidden blog post and enter the password. So definitely first we have to find the hidden blog post. We'll open this lab, and it will get open. So first we have to find a hidden block and then enter the password. Okay, now it is opened. We'll uh, we'll see what is this. View post. Okay, there are view post and nothing is there. So first we will open this. I'm able to see there's a ID number, post ID 4. We'll click over here. Then second one we'll see there's a 5. Okay, 4 and 5. Then this one, spider web security, the post ID number 1. And what else? So clearly it is saying that the ID number, post ID number 3 is missing. Will as they were saying, we have to search for the common endpoint, and the common endpoints are these one. Uh, this GraphQL API, and in some condition there will be a version 1. So we'll pick any ID. Let's suppose is tracking your kids. So post ID number 2 is there. Then there's some ping, and then now it is accessing the private GraphQL. Okay, these are the WebSocket calls, and over here I'm able to see something. Yeah, this is the GraphQL calls and the version 1. This is what they were saying over here. Okay, and okay, we are inside the pub. We'll go here and we want to access the first. We'll take this request into the repeater and we'll make it 3. Now we'll able to see the this particular hidden post. So this was the hidden post number 3. We'll just check the browser. Okay, this is actually the it's called Just a Click Away, and the original post was about a kid's tracking. So this is basically the hidden post. This is what we were looking for. Next, what they are saying is we have to find a password. So we really have no idea what objects or what parameters they are using. We already have request in the uh, repeater, so we'll just say okay, we'll send it anyways. And over here I'm able to see images, title. So we'll put it password because we really have no idea what is the exact name of this parameter or the object. So we are just calling anyways, and it is not correct. As we have seen, that the information about the GraphQL is we'll get all the information from the single point of from the single endpoint. So what we're going to do, we have a tool, this inql Python. So we already have, installed this, Python tool on our local machine, Kali local machine. So we're going to use this tool. So the command is inql and t. First we'll see help. Help is saying we just have to put the target, nothing else, and target will be HTTPS and that the whole path. So what we're going to do is we'll say inql t, t as an target, and we're going to just copy the URL, copy URL. We'll put it in over here, Control V, and we are good to go. Writing the introspection schema, everything is automated now. That's what they were saying about to how to search the queries and the schema. So everything is here. I'm able to see the directory, so we'll go to the folder and we'll open it. The schema, I'm able to see the schema, and we'll just say password because that's what we are looking for. And the name of the object is post password, so we'll directly copy this thing and paste it over here inside the hidden post, new line, and just say yes, send it. So now we got the password. We'll copy this thing and paste it, submit the solution, and this is the answer, and just say OK. So nothing is happening. Okay, we have to just switch off this interception, and yep, congratulations, you solved the lab. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.